They're all eating the bone. Ooh, that's awesome. Nom noms. Super duper nom nom. Yeah, I had a video of her burying this bone earlier. Yummy. Make it a big yummy bone. What you think? Cleaning up that bone? Cleaning up that bone, yo?
I wanted to keep her, but
I'll have more litters.
it's his man.
Yeah.
That just run of the mill.
No, it's not run of the mill, man.
What we know, Siberian Husky breeders. Take time. Precious care.
Best we can. Like the cutie bot. Can you climb over?
Send our address too. So you know where you live.
It's on the receipt, I think.
Okay. Just so we know.
Look, here we go. Here we go. Woohoo! That was awesome. Hey, Mama. All right.
Good boy, you're trying to put
Yeah.
Wild Bill there.
Wild Bill. Wild Buffalo Bill. Gonna be Wild Buffalo Bill.
I'm sure the big dogs will keep that check. He's the dominant force in this pack.
One of them, I don't know. Scarlet is too. They all are. They all have their little. Wee!
He's got the size on him, so he can push himself around a little bit.
Yeah. All right. Oh, I didn't know there's this much meat on this bone left. It looked all dry to me, but you like that stringy stuff? All right. And this is the wolf pack